Hey folks, you guys want to get a nice little scanner that's Bluetooth wireless? Okay, check this one out. Sold by Innova. Got it from AutoZone. It's about $105. Right, that does your check engine light, network scan, battery reset, SRS, maintenance oil light, maintenance lights, I guess, and other stuff, ABS and smog. I got it basically because it has the airbag. Okay, I didn't want to spend too much for another scanner for airbags because I very rarely do airbags. All right, but this is the model 3215 RS. Right, comes in a little free app area. Comes with the QR code right there, and you can download it. It says Repair Solutions. It's got a 4.7 star rating, which is pretty good. All right, comes with the piece. You put it right there, you plug it into your OBD2 connector, you turn on your car, and you download the app, okay? Once you download the app, you are going to see a screen like this. Let's see. Hang on. See, I can do it on my phone here. So I'm going with one phone with another phone. All right, let's see here. Let's quiet my sound first so you don't have to hear it. And then we're going to go into my phone. All right. What do I have to pair it again for? All right, it says I got to pair my phone. So let's pair it up. See what it says. All right, once it pairs up, it has a nice little list of things that you can do. We're gonna go into read codes. It's gonna tell you what kind of car it is. There's an option with the smart key. Hit continue. It's gonna come up with a bunch of codes. If you have any, okay, you can read codes, get erase codes. I'm just gonna read all the codes that supposedly that are on here. Let's see. Tap individual ones. All right, so okay, it read it already. So these are the codes. There's no check engine light on the car, so I don't understand why there's codes, but these are probably just hidden. So here's a cruise control code. Startability malfunction P1604. Listen, I didn't have a problem with it before. Why start now? I'm going to erase it. But yeah, it's got a couple of things over here. It's got some gauges and stuff like that you can do. You can D-door motor. What was that? Driver's door? Motor malfunction. Listen, everything's working. So I don't know if these are just stored codes that are in there, but I am going to erase everything and start from scratch. Here's an engine code. Startability malfunction. Did I just read that? Main body. Power window master switch ECU communication stop. D-door driver's door motor ECU communication stop. Not sure what they're talking about. Everything is working, people. So let's continue. Another one. Passenger door motor. Motor malfunction. Yeah, okay. So I don't know. Like I said, these must be stored in the ECU. But yeah, but look what it does. Powertrain, brakes, airbags, transmission, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive front lighting system, air conditioning, back door combination meter, cruise control, driver's door motor, EMPS, electric motor power steering. All right, this car doesn't have electric steering. All right, engine, four-wheel drive, main body, master switch, occupant detection, passenger door motor, PMI gateway, PM2 gateway, power source control, remote engine starter, rear left door motor, right rear door motor, sliding roof, smart key, starting control. So yeah, it's got a lot of stuff in here, people. Interesting. All right. the whole system, erase codes, IM monitors, live data. It's got a couple of stuff here. You can go and do your view tutorials. Let's see what live data does. Maybe I start the car. Let's see. Let's start the car. Let's see what it does. Oh, look at that. You can select all your parameters. Let's go with engine RPM. Okay, let's just go with that. Does it have a gauge? And there you go. 646, 648, which is pretty much close. Okay, you figured that mark is 5. That's a 1K, so it's in between. Yeah, all right, that's not bad. So yeah, it's pretty cool stuff, man. Nice. Car Scan Mobile. Check it out. Okay, it was 104, 105 at AutoZone. If you guys do your AutoZone points, save up a couple of dollars. I saved up almost $40. Okay, and if you collect your points, right now, if you do mail order, anything over $100, you get 20% off. So 20% off of 104, brought it down to 80. I used points, $40. That took it down to almost $59, something like that. All right, it's pretty cool. All right, and you can carry it with you, plug it into any car that you want to do, your friend's car, your relative's car. You take it with you. All right, just plugs right in. That's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao. And this is the box. Da, da, da. Pretty cool. Ciao.